So what's up mga kaibigan? Kamusta kayong lahat? Bago po ang lahat, kung bago po kayo sa channel na to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell para po updated po kayo sa bago po nating mga video mga kaibigan. Welcome back po sa channel po natin. Ngayon po ay may dumating na package naman po galing Amazon na order ko po. At kararating lang po. Ito po ay LCD ng cellphone na Huawei Huawei po. Itong phone po ay papalitan po natin ng LCD. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo paano palitan po ng LCD. Po, buksan po natin. Ito po ang box niya po. So, bali po ngayon po may nag-request yung mga pinsan ko doon sa alam mo na, sa mga puti, sa mga kung pwede raw i-English ko raw po para maintindihan nila. Kasi hindi sila nakaintindi ng Tagalog eh. I-English ko raw. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin mag-i-English po tayo. Lahat po ng alam natin na English, gagamitin po natin dito sa vlog na to. So, alam nyo ba na based in English ako nung kinder ako? So, English will start now. First thing first. Unang-una sa lahat. This friend is from my friend of my friend. The owner of this is one of my friends. So, he asked me if I can change the phone, the LCD, and then this phone is not charging. So, I already fixed the charging problem for this phone, but I forgot to take a video. So, for now, this time, we will change the LCD. So, this is it. So, this is what you find inside of the box. Okay. And we have, I don't know what is this for now. Let's find out later. So. What is this first? This one. Let us check this first. This one is, I think it's tools. Tools again. Every time you buy a product, there's always a tools. You can use to throw away. Just this one. So, this is the LCD. Look at this. Look. How beautiful is this? Look. See. How beautiful is this? Did you see this? If you see this one, this is the problem of this phone. So let's go, guys. We will change the LCD's phone. I will show you how to change the LCD step by step. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, this phone is Huawei P20 Lite. And the problem of this phone is the LCD is having damage. This is the broken one. So this is our tools. This one, all of these. This is together with the package when you buy the like LCD or other battery, it's the same. So first thing first, we need to remove first the back cover, this cover from the back. All you need to use is this one. Add a pressure like this, slowly like this, okay? And then slowly pull like this. See? Okay. And then make it slowly, guys, because this one for the print, what do you call this, biometric recognition is connected to the phone. This one, if you see, there's a flex over there. This one, we need to remove this first. How to remove this? We need a 35mm screwdriver. This one. Just slowly, guys. Much better I will use this one, guys, because this one is already, I put in a magnet. So this tools is already magnetized. See? It's very easy. And then we need to remove this metal. This one. And then we need to remove this one. This is for the biometric print. This one. Okay, the back cover is cleared out. Set aside. And then we need to open the LCD now. All we need, guys, is from the top there. We need to press. And then pull to open. Just like that. Okay? And then be careful for this one. We need to remove this one, guys. This one. This is for the connection for the display. This one. But we need to open it first. There you go, guys. And then we remove this one. Okay, remove this bottom first. Now your LCD is clear. Slowly. Now the LCD, guys, is already been removed. This one. We need to change it now. This one will be there. And this is our new LCD. This is our new LCD. We need to do is the same procedure. Put inside, pass through. Okay, guys, we put this one like this, then closed. Okay, and then put in there. There you go. Now, guys, let's try the phone. Okay, the phone is working now. Just wait. There you go, guys. The phone is starting up. Okay, there you go. Okay. The phone is what? Now smooth. It's function. Now it's now, guys, we will close this one and then we will charge and then we will try again because it's battery low. So same procedure, we need to put it back together again. So I'll see you a little bit, guys. Just a little bit, guys, just a little bit. I will just close this phone. To close this phone is the same procedure. How to open the door, the phone. You just put all together the screw together, just like this. There we go, guys. The phone is already fixed. There we go. It just the battery is already 6%. Look, guys, the phone is very smooth touch. It's like original. Everything is function normally. So this phone is already fixed like a brand new. So tomorrow I will bring this to the owner. Now I will continue to charge this phone. So I hope all of you enjoy for this. There we go. Hope everything all of you is enjoy for this short video of mine for how to change the phone LCD of huawei P20 Lite. Thanks, guys, for watching. By the way, shoutout nga pala dyan sa dalawa kong pinsan sa California, sa v11 family. And then sa pamilya ko sa Pilipinas, Galaura family, Alberto family, Tuason family, Tidera family, Holiero family. Shoutout sa inyo lahat dyan, mga kamag-anak ko dyan, mga kaibigan ko dyan sa amin, sa Surala, South Cotabato. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Babush, 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 bush, 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 bush. Hanggang sa muling pagkikita, mga kaibigan. Bye.